Welcome to Simple Daily English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Lily. Thank you for joining me today. In this lesson, I want to tell you a story. It's an interesting story about shopping. I will speak slowly and very clearly. This story is made for beginners. Are you ready? Let's begin. Lily's big shopping day. It is a Saturday morning. The month is December. I look out the window. The ground is white. Snow is falling softly. The trees look like they are wearing white coats. I feel excited. Today is the day. I need to go shopping. I go to my kitchen. I make a list. I write a scarf for Grandma, a toy for Sam, a warm hat for Dad, a surprise for Mom. I look at my piggy bank. It is a ceramic pig. It is heavy. I shake it. Clink, clink, clink. I open the bottom. Many coins fall out. I count them carefully. $1, $2, $5, $10, $20. I have enough. I feel rich. I put the money inside my sparkly purple purse. I put on my heavy boots. I put on my yellow coat. I open the door. The air is very cold. My breath looks like white smoke. I walk to the bus stop. The bus arrives. It is a big red bus. I sit by the window. I see the shops. They have gold lights. They have green trees. I arrive at the big mall. The mall is very large. It has many floors. It has many people. I walk inside. The music is playing. Jingle bells. I hum quietly. I go to the first shop. It is a clothing store. I look for a scarf. I see a blue one. No. I see a black one. No. Then I see it. A beautiful wool scarf. It is pink and soft. Grandma loves pink. I look at the price. It is $10. I take it to the desk. I pay the lady. Thank you, I say. Merry Christmas, she says. I am happy. One gift is finished. Now, I look for a toy. I go to the toy palace. There are robots. There are dolls. There are many balls. My brother Sam is 5. He loves dinosaurs. I walk to the back of the store. I see a big T-Rex. It is green. It makes a sound. Roar! Sam will love this. I smile. I go to the front to pay. But then, the problem starts. I open my purple purse. I look inside. I look again. My heart stops. The money is not there. The big $20 bill is gone. I only see small coins. Is there a problem? The man asks. I think I lost my money, I say. My face feels hot. I feel like crying. I leave the dinosaur on the counter. I am sorry, I whisper. I walk out of the store. Where is my money? I think back. I was at the clothing store. Maybe it fell there? I walk back to the clothing store. I look on the floor. I look under the tables. I see shoes. I see bags, but no $20 bill. I go to the lady at the desk. Excuse me, I say. Did you find some money? She looks at me sadly. No, dear, I am sorry. I sit on a bench. I feel very small. I have no money for Sam. I have no money for Dad. I have no money for Mom. The mall feels too loud now. The lights feel too bright. I want to go home. But then I remember. I am a brave girl. I stand up. Think, Lily, think, I say. I remember the bus. I took my purse out on the bus to check my list. Maybe the money is there? No, the bus is gone. Wait, I remember the cafe. I stopped to tie my shoe near the trash can. I ran to that spot. I look at the floor. I see a piece of paper. It is green. It is near a plant. I run to it. I pick it up. It is my $20. It was hiding under a leaf. Yes, I shout. A man looks at me and laughs. I don't care. I am so happy. I run back to the toy palace. The man still has the dinosaur. I found it, I tell him. I pay for the T-Rex. Now, I have more shopping to do. I go to the department store. I find a warm hat for Dad. It is brown and very thick. It will keep him warm when he cleans the snow. Finally, I look for Mom. What does Mom want? She likes flowers. She likes tea. But she loves chocolate. I find a box of chocolates. The box is gold. It has a red ribbon. It looks very fancy. I have $2 left. I go to the stationery store. I buy paper and tape. I have $0 now, but I have 4 bags. I walk to the bus stop. The sun is going down. The sky is purple and orange. I get on the bus. I hold my bags tightly. I am tired, but I am successful. I arrive home. My house is warm. I go to the living room. I sit on the floor. I wrap the scarf. I wrap the dinosaur. I wrap the hat. I wrap the chocolates. I put the gifts under the tree. They look beautiful. I learned something today. Shopping can be hard. Problems can happen. You can lose your money. You can feel sad. But you must not give up. You must look for a solution. You must be patient. Now, my family will have a wonderful holiday. Because I did not go home. Because I stayed. And I fixed the problem. This was my story about holiday shopping. It was a long day, but a good day. Now I want to ask you, do you like big malls? Or do you like small shops? Have you ever lost your money? What did you do? Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope you learned some new words today. If you like these lessons, please tell your friends. Practice every day, and your English will become very good. Happy holidays to you. Goodbye for now. See you next time.